wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best punch-down tools. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Cable Matters 180021 is an affordable model, though it only comes with single-sided 110 hardware, which makes it considerably less versatile than others that are also equipped with a 66 option. It does include a safety cap for the blade, however it's best suited for occasional use, and it's easy to lose the internal ball bearing. At number 9, both blades on the Tripp Lite have cutting and non-cutting sides, so you can work on 110 and 66 standards without a problem. Releasing those knives is as simple as turning the dial on the handle, and adjusting the impact pressure is equally easy. It comes with a durable thermoplastic housing backed by a 3-year limited warranty, but the loose-fitting blades are problematic. Coming in at number 8 on our list. While the included wire stripper with the Vastar impact may not be as good as pliers models, it's still a useful backup and a nice bonus, especially considering how affordable this option is. It includes 110 and BK style blades and an impact adjustment dial, and is backed by an 18-month warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for punch-down tools, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, built for professionals, the Jonard EPD 91461 is backed by a lifetime warranty against defects and equipped with nickel-plated alloy steel blades. Its clearly labeled two-tone housing makes it easy to orient. Just remember, the cut side is yellow. It's tested for 100,000 cycles and includes a convenient storage compartment and a built-in spudger. Moving up our list to number 6. One of the nicest features of the Milwaukee 48-22-2165 is the extended 110 blade, which offers valuable inches of extra reach. It also comes with a standard length option too. It includes a pair of AA batteries and is equipped with an integrated LED work light. However, it is quite an expensive option. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Greenlee 3579 Short Punch has a comfortable cushioned grip with a contoured design that fits well in the hand. It is somewhat expensive, but it comes with a lifetime warranty. It's suitable for 22 to 28 AWG wires and features a hole for a lanyard and onboard blade storage. At number 4, the Southwire Tools and Equipment PDTP-K1 includes a hidden hook and spudger that are easily accessible due to the thumb studs that stick out the side. It boasts set screws to adjust hook tension, metal injection molded blades, and ribbed sides for a good grip. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Klein Tools VDV427-807 comes with a precision ground combination blade suitable for both 66 and 110 applications. Its extension chuck sets it apart from much of the competition and makes it easy to transform it into a serviceable screwdriver. It includes 2 flathead and 2 Phillips bits, comfortable rubber grip points, and an integrated wire hook. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for punch-down tools, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Fluke Network's Pro Tool Kit combines the company's D914S punch-down tool with a simple wire stripper and a useful pair of D-snips, which are able to strip 19 to 23 AWG wires, as well as cut up to 16 AWG solid and 12 AWG stranded conductors. It includes a durable PVC holster and a reversible 110-66 blade, along with a rubber handle that minimizes hand fatigue. And taking the top spot on our list, the Jonard Tools EPB11066 runs on a 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery and is a good choice for those concerned about repetitive stress injuries. It comes with a charger and takes a third less time than typical manual options might. It features a 2-stage trigger with an LED light and a 90-degree blade adjustment option. It delivers 1,000 terminations per charge. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for punch-down tools, or simply click beneath this video.